Okay guys, so this is the CMB market. The cleaning exercise that took place left a huge pile of dirty here. So as you can see guys, the cleaning, Friday and Saturday cleaning, 2 days cleaning, has left this place in a mess. Take a look at this. This is CMB market, one of the biggest markets in Accra, Ghana. This place is jam-packed. I arrived there, I received a call from a colleague since evening to come and do this video, to come and see this. But because I was very, hey. So guys, as you can see guys, the dirty is piled up here. This is so unfortunate, yeah. The cleaning has been done, but the cleaning has been done to avert diseases, but look at what is happening. The biggest market in Accra, Ghana, look at the mess. You know, this has been here since Friday, Saturday. Today, as I'm doing this video, it's Monday. As I do this video, it's Monday. So this is what is going on here. It's a mess. It's the biggest market in Accra, Ghana, but look at what is happening here. Take a look at this. See the mess, see the mountain of dirty pile up here. The cleaning exercise, no car to pick up this mess. This place has been here since Friday. Yeah, sorry it's now, look at this. Yeah, boss, sorry. As I'm doing this video, it's Monday 11 p.m. As I'm doing this video, it's Monday 11 p.m. Monday 11 p.m. as I'm doing this video, and this dirty has been here since Friday. Sorry, boss. So it's a pity that the president declared 2 days for cleaning in order to avert disease. Now the traders here are at risk of getting this disease because this has been piled here from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and today is Monday. We are going into Tuesday because it's 11 p.m. as I'm doing this video. You know, it's unfortunate. You know, this is CMB market, very close to the railway. Look at this. This is a mess. So government, AMA, and the government needs to do something about this to ensure that this thing is getting rid of, because the rationale behind the cleaning exercise to avert any disease, and this piling up here definitely will bring diseases. So the cleaning is counterproductive. You know, this is CMB market, the biggest market in Accra, Ghana. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this mess. The biggest market in Accra. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Take a look at this. Total mess. Total mess. All the roads have been blocked by this huge mountain of rubbish. All the 2 days cleaning, the dirty has been piled up here. Nobody to take it. Nobody's taking responsibility. It's a pity, guys. It's a pity. Cantamanto also, remember we went to Cantamanto also, and the same problem Cantamanto market is facing. Huge pile of rubbish at the middle of the street. All those that are selling there are crying. Here also is CMB. So which means the president's patriotic call to clean the city is counterproductive, because the rationale behind cleaning was to avert diseases and other stuffs. But now look at this. Everybody is now prone to disease because look at the market, the biggest market in Accra. Look at the mess. Huge mountain of dirty piled up here since Friday. This is a total mess. It's a total mess, guys. This is a total mess. So I'm doing this video. I wish you to reach to the president and AMA so that they will see this and do something about it. This is counterproductive towards the president's cleaning exercise, guys. If you see this video, please share it until it reaches the president. Let him know that his cleaning exercise is counterproductive, because the rationale behind the cleaning exercise was to avert any disease. But now, look at what is happening. Look at what is happening. Look at what is happening. Dirty piled up here since Friday to today, Monday. We are now going to Tuesday. The dirty is still here. Everybody is tired. The smell, the suffocation is too much. Everybody that is passing here. This is the biggest market in Accra, for crying out loud. The government needs to do something about it. If you see this video, please do everything to ensure that you share it so that we reach to the president, so he will know that his call, patriotic call to clean Accra, is counterproductive. Thank you all. You can recall, if you can recall, this is the same problem Cantamanto market is facing. Cantamanto market. Remember, we went to Cantamanto and interviewed